I'm Eric Hamadi at The Tribe. Thank you for taking the time to check us out. We're a tribe for independent, individual life and health insurance agents. We run an IMO with all the top carriers: Hancock, Transamerica, Mutual of Omaha. We work with the business and individual markets. Our agents can work in person and remotely over the phone. We have leads, technology, phenomenal training so you can get up and running quickly. We have insanely high carrier contracts, let you keep your renewals, don't have any fees, and no contract. It's a great platform to build a business, have a residual income, create a lifestyle, and all of that. But it's important to know what we're looking for. We're looking for people that truly want to work. This is not a business opportunity. It's not an opportunity for network marketing or multi-level kind of stuff. It's not one of those. Our tribe of agents are going to do over $1 billion of paid sales just this year. So we're looking for the right people, people that families will like and trust, people that will go out there and make sales, people that truly believe in putting families first. Because at the tribe, we're going to put the agent first. We need you to put the client first. If you're not looking to work, please don't apply. If you're thinking, I don't know if I want to work with people or want to help them, don't apply. If you're thinking, I was looking for more of an activity, I'm really not looking to make any money, don't apply. I'm not interested in making money, it doesn't matter to me, don't apply. It's really important if you're trying to get people to understand what you do, you have to tell them what you're not. So a big part of what it is what it's not. And if you know what we're not, you know what we're not looking for. But if you are a team player, if you do enjoy helping people, if you are looking to work, if you do need to make money, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you need to make money? 10, great. What kind of effort are you willing to put in, right? And if you're open-minded to being taught, we have real salespeople teaching you how to do this. Whether you've had an insurance license for one day, you don't have one, or you've had one for 25 years. We're doing this at a rate that nobody else is doing this, so we know how to do it well. So if the things I talked about are what you're looking for and describe you, apply now. If not, either way, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day, and I appreciate your time today.